All right, guys, so Vino got screwed, all right? And let me tell you what happened. So I recorded one of my 3 cocktail videos that I love to make, and this one was all about cachaça. And the video came out great. I thought, you know what, this is gonna be a good one. And I go to upload the file to my computer, and it is corrupted. And there's nothing I can do about it. I tried revitalizing, recovering, whatever term you want to use. I prayed on it, I meditated on it, and nothing worked. And I almost lost my mind. But I said to myself, you know what? Before you lose your marbles, you got 2 options here, kid. You can either just forget about it and skip this week, or you can persevere, dig deep down inside and record something for these guys, right? And so I say, you know what? I'm gonna choose option B, and I'm gonna record a cocktail that I've had on my to-drink list for quite some time. I figured I could do this really quickly. And this cocktail is a riff on the VIEUX, which is a very famous New Orleans cocktail. And this cocktail is called a rum with a VIEUX. Now, let me tell you something. How do you not make a cocktail with such a clever name, right? And it has rum, which is always good, right? So make sure you stick around, because we are still gonna boogie down. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what is in the sauce for our cocktail. The first thing you're gonna need is 1 ounce of an Agricole style rum. I'm going to be using Bourbon Court, but you guys can use whatever you have in stock. And there's very many different Agricole rums that you can use, right? Now, the next thing we're gonna need is 1 ounce of cognac. If you don't have cognac, you can also use a brandy of your choice, all right, folks? All right, beautiful. Now the next ingredient excites me, and that is a 1/4 ounce of an aged Jamaican rum. The recipe did recommend Smith & Cross, and if you guys know anything about vino, Smith & Cross is my absolute favorite rum. This stuff is fantastic, all right? Beautiful. All right, cool. Now we're gonna do some absinthe, all right? It says about 4 dashes of absinthe, all right? Now it's funny because I'm not a big fan of absinthe, but my last video was an absinthe video, and this is an absinthe video, so maybe I'm gonna turn into an absinthe fan after all, right? Then we're gonna do 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't get much more New Orleans than that, all right? Now, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2. And then you're gonna do 1/4 ounce of a rich simple syrup, or you could do a 1/2 ounce of your regular simple syrup, right? So I'm gonna be doing 1/4 ounce of rich. Excellent. All right, so now that we got all of our ingredients in the mixing glass, we're gonna go ahead and add some ice. And then we're gonna stir that for about 30 seconds, all right? All right, folks, I think we gave that a nice healthy stir. Let's go ahead and get our glass out, which I've had chilling like a villain. I'm gonna be serving this in a Nick and Nora, but you can serve it in a coupe, martini glass, whatever kind of stem glass you wanna use, all right? Now, next thing we're gonna do is get our julep strainer out, and let's pour the son of a bitch in. Oh yeah, that's nice. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Oh, look at that. Nice amber tone. There you go. Woo! Now, that absinthe is definitely the first thing that's coming off. I mean, you know, absinthe is one of those spirits that it knows, you know, it's a diva spirit, so it wants to be the center of attention, you know. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a little orange peel here, and we're gonna express those oils. Now, you could choose to discard it, or you could, you know, put it inside of the cocktail. That's really up to you. I'm going to express it, then I'm gonna rub it for good luck. And then, let me see, maybe I'll clean it up and just dump it inside. Let me get my knife, right? Why waste it, right? So we'll just clean that up so it's not too rugged, all right? There you go. And then I'm just gonna dump it inside. And ladies and gentlemen, there goes our cocktail, a rum with a VIEUX. All right, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. Cheers. Okay, so right in the nose, you're definitely getting some of these, some of those absinthe notes. You're getting obviously the citrus from the peel and the oils. See what's going on here. Oh, wow. That is delicious. Oh man, I was a little bit nervous that the absinthe would overtake the cocktail, even though it's only a few dashes. You know, it's absinthe is absinthe, right? And then, you know, even though Smith & Cross is a very bold rum, you know, it was only 1/4 ounce and stuff, so I thought the absinthe might. This thing is delicious. The balance is perfect. The The Rhum Agricole has this beautiful kind of like mouth feel that it's adding. Like you can get those ripe banana notes, like really kind of on the, like it's rounding out the whole thing. And the absinthe is there, but it's not offensive in any way. It's actually quite light there. You know, the cognac is adding some of those kind of cherry chocolate notes that you get from it. You know, I can't say I'm picking up too much of the kind of earthy, grassy notes that you normally get from Agricole. It's there, but it actually has a little more, I don't know, it's a little more nuanced than I probably would have expected, which is fine with me because I think that it gives the other ones, the other ingredients an opportunity to shine, especially my Smith & Cross, which I was a little concerned would not really show through. But this is really good, folks. Oh yeah, that's great, folks. Look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, folks, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.